everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making a quick, easy recipe from golden apples. We're going to be making this amazing, refreshing drink, golden apple drink. Now, golden apples are seasonal, so they're not available year-round. So whenever you find them, you need to get them, secure them, so you can make this refreshing drink. So let's go over the ingredients. We have about 10 to 15 golden apples. Now you can use the apples either ripe or green. Either way, it makes a really good drink. And as you can see, we still have the skin on. Remember, the best part of any fruit or vegetable is right under the skin. So we're going to make our golden apple drink with the skin on. And sugar to taste. Now this is a really easy recipe. There are only 3 steps. 1, we're going to take the apples, we're going to add them to the blender. Now we would have cut the apples to remove the seed because there's usually a hard seed in the middle of the apple. So we're going to remove that seed. First step, add the apples to the blender. Secondly, once it blends, we're going to strain it. And the third and final step, we're going to sweeten to taste. So let's get ready to blend. I would have strained it before, but I'm going to strain it for the last time because you know we need to remove any of the fragments. Just look at that beautiful color. By having the skin still on the apple, it helps with the color. And you see the final strain, there's still a few sediments left. So once we would have removed all of these, then we are ready to taste. Sorry, now we'll sweeten before we taste. Now it's time to add the sugar. Now, as I always say, I don't like my things too sweet. So I'm going to just add a couple spoonfuls of sugar, not too much. And then I'll taste it. And if I think it needs a little more sugar, then I'll add it then. But we'll sweeten to taste. Once I'm satisfied, or you're satisfied with the taste of this refreshing golden apple drink, we'll taste it. Now, it's time for the final tasting. Our refreshing golden apple drink. A lovely pale green color, just like the apple. You can smell it. And for some persons, if you want to brighten up the taste a bit, you may add just a teeny bit of lime juice, maybe just like juice of 1 lime or half of a lime. That's optional, but I don't use it. It smells really good. Now it's time to taste. It tastes even better. Golden apple drink. Now you need to try it.